Want to turn your ideas or written scripts into complete videos? VEED's AI text-to-video tools can transform a prompt or script into a video with visuals, narration, subtitles, music, and other customizable elements. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate videos from text in VEED in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into VEED and open the AI video creation workflow. From the dashboard, you can enter a text prompt describing the video you want to make, or switch to the script option and paste your own script. If you're starting with a prompt, VEED can generate a script for you before creating the video. If you already have a finished script, you can use that text directly. Next, describe exactly what you want the video to cover. Include the topic, target audience, tone, visual style, and important information you want included. Specific prompts usually give the AI better direction. For example, you could ask for a friendly tutorial explaining how to use a productivity app with clean visuals and easy-to-read captions. If you started with a prompt, VEED may generate a script before creating the video. Read through it carefully and make any changes you need. This is a good time to correct details, adjust the tone, or add information before the video is generated. Finally, watch the complete video from beginning to end and check the narration, visuals, captions, music, and timing. When you're satisfied, click Done to export the finished video. So your text has now been turned into a finished video that you can share, download, or continue editing. And that's how to generate videos from text in VEED. Start with a prompt or script, refine the content, choose your video settings, generate the video, make any final edits, and export the result. The more clearly you describe your idea, the easier it becomes to guide the AI toward a video that matches your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.